Good afternoon, teacher. We will present the learning outcome number 3, and this is related with the components of lesson plan and their importance. First of all, our lesson plan is related with the module number 3. This is for to grade heavy, and the topic for this lesson plan is what do I know about my family and the members of the family.
Now, I am going to talk about the importance of these 7 components in a lesson plan. The first is the necessary materials. It is important because they promote a critical and creative thinking. Educational tools also promote active learning. That is helps students to acquire skills to analyze and apply their knowledge in class. The didactic materials must be adapted to the learning environment as well to the learning levels of the students. The second is clear objectives. The established objectives of the lesson plan is the most important part, since it is a guide to achieve what is the expect of the class. Objectives must be smart and must be writing for the students' perspective. The three is a background knowledge. It's that the teacher will be able to use. And it's important as students have prior knowledge, conceptual understanding, and skills and beliefs. When they are presented with the problems, each students may understand in easily different ways, paying attention to different aspects of the questions, interpretation, and responding different to the learning environment, etc. And the third is direct instructions, facilitate the learning process. The teacher can project assignments and classes to the students can work together to achieve a common goal. It also allows the teacher give clear instructions, illustration, expectation, and descriptions as needed. Next.
Now, I want to explain the next the components of the lesson plan. The students' practice. It is important students are engaged. However, the guided practice means that you, as the teacher, are involved in helping students put into practice what they have learned. Often, his sessions will involve some type of the group or cooperative learning activities. You, as the teacher, will be busy monitoring and observing. You will also be more successful if you had modeled what you expect your students to do. Guide students through the activity. The closure. It is always wise to see what the students have achieved in the class period. You can quickly question answer the time and the end. For example, what did you learn for today? You can have the students repeat or summary what the lesson has involved. You can have the sing out students must write a quickly summary in some format before they can leave the class. And finally, demonstration of learning is where students show off what they have learned, usually as a way to determine if they have met learning standard. Thank you.
So finally, this is our project or our lesson plan. This is it has the perfect all the lesson plan is related with the perfect lesson plan. So as you know, the perfect lesson plan has 20 elements, but keep in mind that in the perfect lesson plan, you can add it the 7 components as we mentioned previously. So that was all, and thank you, teacher.